Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna be show you how to reinstall or download the TikTok on an iPhone after banning in your country. So yeah guys, let's get started today's video. So let's find the workaround to reinstall TikTok on your mobile phone. And so you can first open the App Store and after that you can go the top right corner your profile section, and here you can see there is a different option. And after that you can go the account, your main account on App Store. And now if you want to reinstall the TikTok app on your iPhone, so let's sign in the cards. I just put my password. Wait for a couple of moments. And after this you can see there is a different option, and now you can select the country region and change the country region, whether you live in USA, UK, Canada, South Africa. So simply you can tap on the country region and select any country, which country there is TikTok is right now unbanned. After this you can install or download in your mobile phone. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and updates like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.